Hey, econ students, this is Jacob Clifford. Welcome to a brand new school year. I hope you're excited. I have over 500 videos here on YouTube, so think of me as your online economics tutor. But notice, I'm not trying to replace your teacher or your professor. I don't make long lecture videos explaining all the details. Instead, I make quick explanation videos and practice videos to help you get an A in your class and to ace your next unit exam or the final exam. I want to help you learn and practice economics as fast and efficiently as possible so you have time to do other things you want to do. Now, I use the AP Economics curriculum, but it's the same as any college introductory course or the CLEP exam. The best way to access everything is to click on my unit playlist. There you'll see topic videos where I explain all the key concepts and graphs of the course, practice videos that have you do the exact same skills you're going to see on your next quiz or exam, plus other videos like econ movies that make economics fun and interesting. And if you need additional help and want to support my YouTube channel, take a look at my Ultimate Review Packet and the Ultimate Exam Slayer. These include exclusive videos, study guides, free responses, walkthrough practice videos, and a ton of multiple choice questions. And the best part is you can check it out right now for free. Just click on free preview. All the resources for Unit 1 are free, so you can use it to ace your Unit 1 exam. Again, I hope you're excited for a brand new school year because I'm excited to help you learn and love economics. Thanks for watching. Until next time.